Alright guys, so today I will be going from poor to RIMAC in Vehicle Legends. This is obviously day 1. I got like 5 days to get the RIMAC. So yeah, as you can see in alt account, y'all can add me if you want, and I will accept the friend requests. I'ma check what car to buy. Alright, so there is 2 options to choose from, Mustang or Camaro. I'ma see who has the best stats. Here is the Mustang stat, and these are the Camaro stats. Here are both stats. The Camaro has a better top speed, so I'ma choose that. Here is the car. My goal for today is to get 1 million. Also, I will get this car for today's video. I'ma let y'all know if I got it. Okay, so I just grinded 190,000. Now let's buy the car. Here is the car. Let's buy it. Now I'ma sell the Camaro so that I can buy some upgrades. You can sell it for 24,000. I'ma get supercharger. Alright, now it's time to grind around the map race. Now I'll use someone's boost truck this time. I have 900,000 right now, and if I sell my Ford GT, I would get 97,000, and now I have 1 million. Also in the next episode, which is probably on Saturday, I will buy a better car. Anyways, like and subscribe for more videos like these. Have a nice day.